Hey my friends, and welcome back to my channel, the 10x Crypto Academy channel. Today a lot of people has been asking for a video, asking for a recovery video about the GoldenBrasco $2,000 coin. So today I'm going to be showing you how to get it swapped. Right now it has been listed on two major exchanges. It has been listed on PancakeSwap and it has been listed on Coin. So I'll be showing you today how to swap these coins. So I am very happy that you guys are here today. If this is your first time to be on my channel, I want you to click the like, share and subscribe button. Share this video. You cannot know who will be interested to know more about swapping coins on different exchanges on your TrustWallet. So with that said, you can also subscribe to be updated with crypto education, where we teach you different basic education about the crypto market, how to trade crypto, the different softwares we use, the trading strategy we use. It's all in here. So grab this opportunity right now. Click on the subscribe button. More interesting updates, more interesting opportunities will be coming your way in frequent time. So thank you so much for coming on here. You can see that we have a real estate online course which teaches you how to trade or do real estate business the smart way, our generation way, because they have the old fashioned generation real estate and the new fashion generation real estate. So we're going to teach you that. You can see the course over here, this course over here, and then we scroll down and we also give you different tokens, opportunities, how to claim $2,000 worth of coins, how to do some successful verifications and wallet withdrawal on different exchanges. So with that said, this is our latest video, how to add liquidity to an exchange and in $100 on that exchange. Is that not amazing? It's amazing. So you can click on that video and watch it. So we'll head over to our TrustWallet. We're over to our TrustWallet. Here's the TrustWallet. So now on the TrustWallet, I'll go over to wallet and I'll scroll down to GoldenBresco. Okay, here you can see we have GoldenBresco 0.063, and I'm going to show you how to swap this GoldenBresco. So after you click over here, DApp, you click on DApp, and when we head to DApp, you can see that we have under the history, we have new DApps, we have DeFi, which is decentralized finance, we have popular. So we're meant to use PancakeSwap, but I'm not going to use that today. I'm going to use Coin, and I'll show you the advantage why I prefer to use Coin on this particular swap before we go over to PancakeSwap. So I'll click over here, Coin, like Coin, like Coin .app. You can see over here .app, Coin.app. I click on it and then I click on this arrow to load. So it's gradually loading right now. Wonderful, the exchange has loaded. So we have to go over here and change this Ethereum sign to BSC, which is smart chain. You have to click on it. This option come out and you click on smart chain. Why we're doing this is because we were able to get the coin on the BSC network. The GoldenBresco is on the BSC network, so any transaction we're going to get done, the fees will be charged to our BSC wallet. So that's why we are going to swap that Ethereum to BSC. Yeah, you can see that this exchange Coin has a coin already, and the worth of the coin is $3.12. So if you did the airdrop, just like I shared the content with you on how to go and get a Flannel swap airdrop right now, you can get up to 100 Flannel swap. I'll be dropping the video on the description. You can go through it, or I'll also drop the link to our Telegram group chat, so you can go there and get the video to watch it on our Telegram group chat. and know how to get these airdrops on exchanges, because exchange airdrops are very, they have limited time. And based on the updates I got, the exchange airdrop is going to end by September, I think first week of September, and then they will start their pre-sales. So now we are over here in Coin. Now we have to look for GoldenBrasco. We copy the contract address. So I'll copy the contract address and place over here. Okay, so the contract address has been copied, and I'll paste it on this space over here. Here we have enter token name / address. Okay, so I just paste it there. So you can see now GoldenBrasco GoBo. So I'll also drop this contract address on the description. Go down to the description and you get all the information you need to know about our Telegram group chat, where we'll be dropping videos about the GoldenBrasco, how to claim the coin, and also every other details mentioned in this video. So this is why I like PooCoin. They give you a graph chart, unlike any other exchange like PancakeSwap, which you are familiar with. So they give me a graph chart to actually know the current price action of the coin, not just knowing that it increased by a certain percentage, but also, yes, you can see that this coin is on a graph, and you can be able to know that yes, we have this potential height to hit. Or okay, so this is the chart right now. So I'll take out this volume bar. I clicked on it, so I'll have a plain chart. Okay, so currently when this coin was listed, you can see the spike. The day it was listed, it spiked up rapidly. Most of us missed that spike. It spiked up rapidly, and then it came back down immediately, and is at this spot now. So currently we need to wait for the coin to initially increase again in value, so that we can be able to grab this opportunity. So if you go back to the trade section, you can click here on trade. We mix the spike. You can click here on trade, and over here you can see that we can trade this coin right now. The balance I have, which is 0.063 GoldenBresco, I can change it to BNB. First of all, I'll have to swap it over here. I'll move it over here. Okay, good. So after I clicked this, the GoldenBresco I had went above, so I want to swap from GoldenBresco to what? BNB. So now if I want to swap, I have to click on maximum. Over here I clicked on maximum, and you can see here all the balance I have, which is 0.063 GoldenBresco, has appeared. So if I just scroll down now and approve, I have to first of all approve the coin. After I approve the coin, then the swap button will shine green, and then I also have to click on swap, and then they will charge me a little fee, and then the transaction will be successful. But I don't want to swap my coin right now, because if I swap that, I will not be getting enough BNB. I'll be rewarded 0.00014 BNB. So if you have more GoldenBresco, you can come over here and swap it to BNB immediately. Then you get the BNB and sell it off. When you sell off the BNB, you make your cash. But right now, because of what is going on in the price action, we missed the spike. I also missed the spike. So we're going to have to wait for the market to catch liquidity. Maybe when it is listed on major broadcasting sites like CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko. That's when it will have high liquidity. So all that went in right now, that holds the coin already, has the potential of what earning by then. But by then, those that will go in when it has been listed on CoinMarketCap will be very late. So thank you so much for watching to the end of this video. I hope that you like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Drop your comments on the comment section. If any video you would like me to create, any extra education you would like me to share, drop it on the comment section, and I will be very happy to do that for you. This is 10x Crypto Academy. This is not financial advice, and this is for proper guidance in the crypto market, so you can be able to earn as you learn. Goodbye.